solve sin x square x minus 2 sin x cos x equals to 0, x greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. So from here, we may take sin x common. So it will be sin x minus 2 cos x equals to 0. So we'll write here sin x equals to 0 or sin x minus 2 cos x equals to 0. To get the value of x, where sin x equals to 0, we can depend upon the curve. So if we sketch this curve, 0 sin is 0, 90 degree it is 1, 180 degree it is again 0, 270 degree it is minus 1, and 360 degree again 0. So sin x 0 when x equals to 0, 180 degree and 360 degree. So you can write x equals to 0 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. One thing is very important over there. Here, x greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. That's why you can take 0 degree and 360 degree. Now the second part, you can write from here sin x equals to 2 cos x. So sin x by cos x equals to 2. Tan x equals to 2. So x equals to tan inverse 2. It will be 63.4 degree. So we'll check from 0 degree to 360 degree where tan is positive. Tan is positive in the first quadrant and third quadrant. This result is in the first quadrant. So another result, x equals to 180 degree plus 63.4 degree. So it will be 243.4 degree. So our final answer, x equals to 0 degree, 180 degree, 63.4 degree, 243.4 degree, and 360 degree. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.